Let's show you how you can set up the Social Trade Copier Client EAs in your MetaTrader platforms. It's very easy. First, download the files from the Download section of your STC dashboard. You will find both master and client zip files here. Now, extract the files. There are 3 files, respectively for MT4, MT5, and CTrader. To set up in MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, first, right-click on the STC client file and copy it. Then, go over to your MT4 or MT5, and from the top left corner, click on Files and then Open Data folder. Next, open the MQL4 or MQL5 Expert folder and right-click to paste the file. Close the pop-up window. Go to the Navigator tab on your MT4 or MT5. Select Expert Advisors and right-click. Hit Refresh, and there you have your STC Client EA. Now go to your Tools section above and select Options. Then go to the Expert Advisors tab. You will need to tick these options and add this URL. Lastly, drag the EA onto a chart and enter the client account ID provided as your license to make it work.